This is Kmart's Pet Water Fountain. This is the small version. They have a bigger one that takes 3 liters. This one is 1.8. So let's unbox it and see what's inside and how good it is. I paid 22 bucks. The other bigger one is 35. I already made a review for that one if you want to have a look. This is the user manual. I will attach it at the end of this video. And this is the water fountain. Same power adapter, which is 12 volt. Same nice cable. And this is it, all plastic, and it has one hole for the water outlet, and this is the filter here. Let's open it and see what's inside. It's hard to open for some reason. So this is the filter. It's small filter. It almost looks dirty, but there is something inside. Some crystals or something to clean the water. Replacement filters are sold. You can buy them. And this is the small pump. As simple as that, not very complicated. Let's see, the cable is long enough. Let's turn it on without water. Even probably this is not recommended. It's working. You cannot hear. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's very, very, very quiet. So now let's fill it with water and test it. This is the filter. You can take oh shit. Well, at least we can see what's inside now. It looks like activated coal or something. It's supposed to be sealed, but it's too bad that it's not. And there's another yellow crystals here, and we have the black charcoal or something here. No, nothing will fall off. Okay, I filled it with water. This is the maximum. There is a line here that tells you don't fill it more than that. And let's try it with water. I prefer the smaller model better than the bigger one for a few reasons. First, it's transparent. You can see the level of water if it's going low, so you can refill it. Second, it's quieter. And third, it has just 2 parts. Well, that one has like 4 or something. Yeah, it's very quiet. I think the bigger model is more suitable for dogs. This one for cats or smaller dogs. Beautiful. Okay, now let's give it to the cat and see if the cat likes it.